In this lab at Boston's Children's Hospital, a cure for genetic deafness is taking shape. Lead researcher Jeff Holt says that if all goes as planned, children of the future who lose their ability to hear due to genetic mutations will never go deaf. Holt and his fellow researchers are attacking the problem at its source. They are using engineered viruses to repair damaged genes that make up parts of the inner ear.
Our strategy was to take a viral vector, remove the viral gene so that it doesn't make anyone sick, and replace those with the correct DNA sequence for TMC1.
TMC1 is a gene critical to hearing. It's responsible for encoding proteins that convert sound into electrical signals that the brain can process. To test their treatment protocol, Holt and his team used 2 types of deaf mice that model the dominant and recessive genetic mutations of TMC1 in humans. They delivered their engineered virus to the inner ears of the mice.
We found we were able to restore function in both cases for recessive and dominant forms of TMC1 mutations.
While genetic testing and brain activity showed that their treatment worked, the researchers still needed to find out if their deaf mice could actually hear.
We can't really ask a mouse if they're able to hear, but we can play a loud, sudden sound, and a normal mouse will jump in response to that. A deaf mouse does not move at all, but after our gene therapy treatment, the deaf mice began to jump.
Holt says there are at least 70 different mutations that cause 1 in 1,000 people to go deaf in adolescence. He says this gene therapy platform could potentially lead to treatment for all of them, ensuring that in the future, no child ever loses their ability to hear.